Everyone, today we are going to see Infosys S.P or DSE role on campus placement pattern as well as questions, which is 9.5 LPA. In my previous video, I have discussed the complete pattern as well as instructions also. I have given one question and its approach in least time complexity in the order of n log n, and I have also shared my GitHub link in comment section. If you haven't watched the video, please go and watch it so that you can get clear idea on pattern of Infosys. Okay, let us see and the more questions which are asked in Infosys, and this first round is purely coding round which consists of 3 questions, and this is in 3 hours. Okay, this question I have discussed in my previous video, sum of triplets, and I have also given the approach to that question. This is the approach of that question. Now let us see the question number 2. Okay, covered ranges in the large tree with distinct values. Don't worry, I will explain the complete question and the approach you have to follow. Okay, let us see the question. This is the question number 2 and the problem statement. You are given a tree with n nodes and an array A which represents the value of nodes, and an array P which represents the parent of the given nodes. Okay, task is to find the sum of minimum number of covered ranges in each connected component after deleting a node x from a tree for all x from 0 to n. Okay, the output is that find the sum of number of covered ranges in each connected component after deleting each node. Don't worry, I will explain with the help of an example so that you can get a clear idea. Okay, let us consider a number of nodes are 5 and the given nodes are 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, number of given nodes are 5 and the given nodes are 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the parent. 0 is the parent node of 1 and 2. Okay, 1 is the parent node of 3 and 4. This is the given graph. What you have to do means, if you delete any node, if you delete this 0, then what are the separated components? Tell me. If you delete this 0, then separated components are 1 3 4 as one component and 2 as one component. These are divided components, so number of components are 2. Okay, remember it. If you remove this 1, then number of components, separated components are number of separated components are once wait. Okay, if you remove 1, number of separated components are 0 2 as one component and 3 as a separate component and 4 as separate components. So number of components for removing 1 are 3. Okay, remember, for 0 means 2 components, for 1 means 3. Okay, if you remove 2, number of components are this one. Okay, if you remove 3, if you remove 4, then you have to add up all the components sum together and you have to return it. By removing the node 0, you will get the components as 1 3 4 and 2. Okay, so number of covered ranges are 2. If you remove 1, 0 2 3 4, number of covered ranges are 3. If you remove 2, these are the covered ranges. If you remove 3, these are the covered ranges. That is the problem. So number of, by removing 0 1 2 3 4, the number of covered ranges are this. You have to return this total sum. This is the question with, this is the thing with the second question. If anyone find the solution of this question, please put it in the comment section. In the Infosys exam, there is mandatory question on graphs, so have a clear idea on graphs. Okay, let us see the third question also right now. Okay, I hope you understand this question number 2, the approach of the question number 2. Okay, now let us see the question number 3, equal GCDs. You are given an array of length n consisting of integers a of I for all For each element in A, you can choose to paint it either black or white or leave it as unpainted. A valid painting is defined as one where at least one element is painted black and at least one element is painted as white. Find the number of valid ways to to paint A such that the GCD of black painted elements equals to the GCD of white painted elements. Okay, since the answer is large, written in this way, number of given input is number of elements in A. Each line I consists of subsequent lines consists of A of I. Don't worry, let us see this question so that you can get a clear idea. You are given the input in this way and output. Let us see the question. Wait. See, you are given n value as 2 and number of white paintings are 11, number of black paintings are 11. You can paint that in two ways. To paint the first element as white and second element as black and vice versa. So number of ways to paint are two ways. So your output is 2 and your n value is 3 and 2 6 2. Okay, now the ways to color the black and white boxes are color first element white and then last element as black and their GCD is 2, and color first two elements as black and third one as white. So this GCD is 2 and there are many more ways to paint. So the output is 6. This is the question with this is the thing with third question. Okay. Equal GCDs. Okay, this third question is equal GCDs, and I have explained the covered ranges in large tree with distant values. This is the question with 2. See, in Infosys exam there is a camera and AI assistant. It is conducted very strictly, so be sure of any malpractices. If they found any malpractices, you will be out of the exam. If you find this video as informative, please hit a like, share and subscribe the video. And if you want the questions, I will put it in the GitHub link and I will put it in the comment section so you can have access to the questions. Okay, thank you.